Hello everyone, I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel that is how to use document management within the contact detail view. By using this feature, we can list the documents associated with the contact irrespective of the criteria that the contact was a primary or a secondary recipient, and users will be able to download the PDF, view the source of documents, and copy a link in that case of the sent documents. Okay, for accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on contacts. After clicking on contacts, you see an owner, followers, etc. And after see, you will see the activity tab, test tab, document notes tab, documents, appointments tab, documents tab. In documents tab, you can click and add the document here. You can add any new file from the respective source or any source, and you can upload it. After uploading it, you can able to see the document in the sent, received, everything you can see. I will show the example. After downloading a document, you can see in the document sent section here, and after that you can share the document into the uh, any you can copy the link, you can view the source, and you can download document. This and all features can be done via using this feature. Thank you.